Incremental ratings. So in case you have decided to use Supermemo using a freeware version, an older version, there are some limitations. Very easy, but it's worth mentioning. So all of the versions have this help menu. I covered this in the course for Supermemo 19. It's exactly the same. Only this questionnaire is being added, that's it. But if you click on Guide, what happens is that you go to the latest version, the 19. So what you will need to do is go to the main page and select the version you use. So in my case, I'm using now the Supermemo 15. So now I'm in the other version. As you can see, it looks almost slightly different. And now is where I go. What was new, and then the overviews. And those are the overviews up to that version. Because if you use the latest, the one that will be open through the menu, it's a much newer version. For instance, in this version, there are no concepts. There is no, you see, you have categories instead of concepts. There's no link registry. There is no neural review and some other details. So if you need help for this, remember, doesn't matter where you click, it will go to the latest. Or even missing, like in this case. And no worries, you can go as old as 3 decades. So the information is there. It's just that you need to go there manually. That's all for now. See you incrementally.